Hey everyone, this is Ryan at GSB Comms. A lot of clients often ask me, what do I do with my hands virtually when I'm speaking to an audience via telepresence? And my tips around that are pretty simple. And they start with, one, you want your audience to actually see your hands. Now, if you cannot see my hands, if I put them below the table, beneath the box from which you can see, there's just not a lot of life happening in this picture. Really, the only nonverbal things that you can see are my face, which is barely moving besides from my mouth, and my body, my upper torso, which there's just not a lot happening there. When I bring my hands into the picture, there's more energy, there's more life happening. Also, if you cannot see my hands, there's a risk that I'm sending you a subconscious signal that you actually can't trust me. When you can see somebody's hands, you actually trust them more. It's something that we register and we look for subconsciously that's really important in how we come across when we're communicating, when we're giving a message to somebody, and what they're actually seeing and taking in with a certain part of their brain. So again, when you're speaking to an audience virtually, generally speaking, keeping your hands in this kind of box region is a safe place to keep them. It also brings you to life. When I'm using my hands, my voice is coming more to life. You want to watch out to not use your hands too much and putting them around this area, but generally speaking, this is a safe place and it will help you and your messaging when you're coming across virtually. I hope you find that helpful. And again, my name is Ryan Schadt at GSB Comms. Thanks.